welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. My name is Krista and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 little boys, and today's video is kind of like a kitchen reset. I focused all of my attention on my kitchen today because it was out of control, but I started by doing some laundry. If you don't know, we live in a small 2-bedroom apartment, and our laundry area, room, whatever you want to call it, is right here in our kitchen. And so all of my clean clothes, all of my dirty clothes, they are right there in the way, so I have to kind of maneuver my way around, I guess you could say, and just make sure everything in there is clean. So I started off with the laundry, and then I wanted to get these dishes done. As you can see, there is a lot of dishes to do. I have been so tired recently, and just if I'm not doing one thing, then another thing gets put behind. I am in school right now, and so some days I have to focus on school rather than focusing on the house, and then the housework falls behind. So that is kind of what happened with the dishes here, so I am just getting caught up on that.
Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know it feels like love. This feels like the sweetest breath of air. Oh yeah, it's amazing. At the same time, how you take my breath away. Oh yeah, can't explain. Ooh. You said, do you wanna go out sometime? You don't have to tell me twice. Oh yeah. Then came the rush of butterflies, trembling and building up from deep inside. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know it feels like love. This love is blossoming between us in yellow and indigo. Till it's taking over my body and soul. Feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart. Now I'm falling fast and my world's expanding. Feels like love, even though we're kinda nervous. Together we'll be strong. I don't know for sure, all I know it feels like love. Cupid made a shot straight into my heart.
Deep in the shadows, I know it's hard to put one foot in front of the other. So far as the echo, where do we start? You can learn to discover a million stars. Here in the shadows, I know you're scared. Take my hand, together we'll make a stand. We've got to fight to find a way. Dare to fall to find out what to say. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Time to let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place. If we can just find a way, then we can live a better day. Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all, let's build a dream. No more hate. Just admit that you're just afraid. Let go of all your fears and pride. Stand up beside me, don't you hide. We can build a better place if we can just find a way. Then we can live a better day. 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 Rise from the ashes, from the anger, from the war. Let's come together, lift your spirit for the cause. We should be equal, should be living free. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. All together, one and all. Let's live.
We're gonna take a break from this cleaning video
a
because
better day.
it's not groceries, but it is a Walmart haul. We got some cleaning supplies, things like that. So, and I was excited and I was like, I gotta show my friends. So, here we go. So, the first thing I'm gonna start with is not cleaning supplies. It is like bath stuff. Sorry if you can hear the boys, they're fighting. The first thing I got was this Dr. Teal's body lotion. It's rose and milk and essential oils. I needed some body wash for whenever I do my body scrubs at night. So I was really excited to find this. Thing is the Dr. Teal's Kids Sleep Bath. It's a bubble bath, body wash, and shampoo. My boys have a little bit of a hard time going to sleep at night. So I thought maybe using this would calm them down at night and help me get them to sleep. The next thing I got is this from Shea Moisture. It's African Black Soap Clarifying Mud Mask with tamarind extract and tea tree oil. So, and as you can see, I'm kind of breaking out. And so I thought this would be good to try to get rid of breakouts. Then Jared just got some new shampoo, and it's the Head and Shoulders. But they have this new stuff. It's called the Advanced Series, and it's different fragrances. And this is the sandalwood. I picked it out, of course. It just smells so good. Then I just got some more of my foundation, and I'm so mad because I didn't realize that this had been opened, and there's foundation all over the top. But it is the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear. Swear about this stuff. So we don't have an iron, which is fine by me. I don't like ironing, but we do need some stuff to get wrinkles out of our clothes, because as you can see, I just kind of leave the clothes in the hampers for forever, so they get kind of wrinkled. So we got some wrinkle releaser. I've never tried the Downy one, so hopefully it is good. Then we got some OxiClean. We're having a little bit of trouble getting some stuff out of clothes, so I thought using some OxiClean might help clean the clothes a little bit better. Now, if you have a Keurig, then you know that you have to like clean it very well. And I saw this. It is the Keurig 3-month Brewer Care Kit. So it cleans your Keurig. It helps remove mineral buildup, filters the water, and apparently it makes your beverages taste better. So it comes with these little rinse pods, the water filter cartridges, I guess that's that, and then the descaling solution. The next couple things that I'm going to show you was mainly for my car, but obviously this next thing can be used for inside as well, like for your mattress and your couches and stuff. So it is this, the Ion Vac. It is a cordless portable vacuum. Just looks like that. It has like 3 different attachments, but you can use it on your couch cushion, beds, chairs, use it in your car. So we really needed this. I mainly bought, like I said, mainly bought it for the car, but because it's in need of a detailing and I don't want to pay someone to detail it, I want to do it myself. So the next thing I got are these Armor All wipes. It is the glass wipes and the protectant wipes. Then I also got this OxiClean Total Interior Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner. It was in the car wash section. I'm sure you can also use it on like your couches and your carpets and stuff. So it just looks like this, and it has a little brush. The next thing we got was the thing I was most excited about, and it is the O-Cedar spray mop, the microfiber mop. I got this to replace my Swiffer, and then I also got a replacement microfiber pad. But this is gonna save money for one, because you can rewash these pads and you just refill this with the water instead of having to buy, for like the Swiffer Wet Jet, you had to buy the pads, you also had to buy the solution and all that other stuff. So this just makes so much more sense. Okay, and the last thing that I bought, hopefully it'll fit. I don't know if the big one's gonna fit, but it is this 3-pack of baskets. I mean, the big one, like I said, look, it's big, but I really want to do some more organization in the bathroom, like over our toilet. That's where all of our stuff has to go, because we literally have no space for bathroom supplies. Like, we have those 3 drawers that are in the hallway, and then the over the toilet thing, and that's it. So I have to kind of get like crafty and smart when it comes to our organization in there. So hopefully this will help. But that is everything that we got from Walmart, and yeah, I'm really excited to try everything out. So you can probably tell because there is an outfit change. My hair looks a little bit better and I have on a little bit of makeup. This is a different day. It's actually just the next day. I had gotten distracted the day before with the boys, so I just decided to finish up the cleaning the next day in the kitchen. So what I'm doing here is I am just going to clean off the table, get rid of all the stuff that we just bought, and put it in its respective places. So this is actually going to be the end of the video, y'all. I forgot to get after footage of the clean kitchen, so I'm sorry you don't get to see that, but here is a little segment of what my floors had on them. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye, y'all.